Chapter 12, Lesson 3, Volume of Cylinders. Okay, so when we talk about the volume of a cylinder, it's going to be very similar to our volume formula for their prisms. So the volume is still going to be that capital B times H. And so this again is the area of the base. Well, in a cylinder, the base happens to be a circle. So how do we find the area of a circle? Pi r squared. So our volume formula for a cylinder is pi r squared h, right? 3.14 times the radius squared times the height, because we find the area of this circle and multiply it by the height. Remember, the height is the distance between the two bases, between the two circles. Look at an example. I'm going to take the cylinder here and I'm going to find the volume of it. So I'm going to do pi r squared times the height. So I'm going to take 3.14 times, and in this case I already have the radius, so times 4 squared times the height, which is 12, and my volume is going to be 602.88, and volume, remember, has cubic units, so cubic centimeters. And then we're going to look at one more example. This one's a little bit different because I know the volume and I'm looking for the height. And so I'm going to use the same formula. Volume equals pi r squared times height. But in this case, I know the volume, so 618 equals 3.14 times 4 squared times the height. So I can do this a couple different ways. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to go to multiply this out. So I have 618 equals 50.24 times the height. I'm going to divide both sides by 50.24. And I'm going to find that the height is 12.3 is the height. And the way that I'm going to measure the height, the volume is in meters cubed. The radius is in meters. The height is also in meters. And that equals the height.